The ability of the clave to prevent contamination of the fluid path is demonstrated in this model. The clave is made up of 3 components: the internal Cyrex conduit and 2 fluid path windows, the silicone compression seal which covers the conduit, and the Velox housing which completes the manufactured product. When the clave is disinfected using a swabbing technique, microorganisms are removed from the access site of the silicone seal. As the access lure contacts the sterile silicone surface and begins to compress the silicone, a dynamic seal is created. Not until the silicone is compressed and the windows of the conduit become exposed in the internal diameter of the access lure is the fluid path accessed. This creates the internal fluid path, where at no point does the exterior of the access lure, silicone or clave housing come into contact with the fluid path. When the access lure is removed, the silicone returns to cover the conduit and closes the entire system once again.